On behalf of the Department of Science and Technology, Metals Industry Research and Development Center, Philippine Navy Naval Research and Technology Development Center, and the Mechatronics and Robotics Society of the Philippines, I am pleased to present the Project Buhawi, or Building a Universal Mount for Heavy Warrior Automated Weapons Integration. To give you a glimpse why we had to develop this type of technology for our Navy personnel, here is a short video from GMA News Outlet. With that, we realized the importance of ensuring the safety of our Navy personnel while improving the firepower capability of our Navy assets, on top of the support to our self-reliance defense posture program. So how does the technology work? The principle is pretty simple. The Navy personnel or the gunner is housed inside the gunboat, outside the line of fire. While locating the target, Buhawi will automatically lock on the target and manually shoot the target. DOST developed Buhawi journey is not as easy as it seems. The project team gone through different challenges, modifications, and testing. First was the stationary firing conducted at Camp O'Donnell, Capas, Tarlac. And finally, the installation to the Philippine Navy's gunboat and testing of the DOST-developed Buhawi in different sea states to test the effectiveness of the technology. So let us hear the statement directly from the Executive Officer of the Philippine Navy's patrol craft, where Buhawi is installed in the performance of Buhawi.
I am Lieutenant Commander Jimmy Jr. P. Limana, Philippine Navy, and I am the Executive Officer of PC-376. For the past 2 months, we conducted a series of sea trials for the Buhawi weapon system, and we tested it in both day and night operation, as well as in the various sea state up to sea state 3. Sea state 3 means that the waves is around 1 meter high and the wind condition is around 10 knots. There are challenges encountered in the sea trials, but nevertheless, the Buhawi weapon system is tested successfully.
With this, the joint project is envisioned to reach a phase wherein more Buhawi units can be locally manufactured, proving that Filipinos can create and develop defense technologies that are at par with the current global trends.
Surprisingly, the Buhawi weapon system is better in terms of accuracy compared to the other or similar weapon system that we acquired through our modernization. And I would say that the Buhawi weapon system can be at par once the Buhawi weapon system reaches its mature state. It will become one of the fixture of every Philippine Navy gunboats in the future.
With its automated capability, Buhawi aims to reduce the risk to life among military personnel during combat operations. Similarly, this vision promotes the Self-Reliant Defense Posture or SRDP program of the Department of National Defense, wherein the main thrust is to become self-sufficient in manufacturing weapons, small arms, ammunition, tactical communications equipment, basic land vehicles, small sea crafts, among others.
Advantages of Buhawi project. First one, Buhawi is locally developed, and the availability of materials, parts, and components, availability of experts, and lower cost compared to imported RCWS. The manufacturer of the Buhawi will provide the following outcomes. First one is the modernization of the defense industry in the country, additional income for participating companies, job employment opportunities, and generation of foreign reserves. For the commercialization status, Philippine Navy is purchasing several units of the DOST, the MIRDC developed Buhawi. Currently, we have one licensee to manufacture and sell the Buhawi, with 2 ongoing for evaluation and 1 for negotiation and submission of documents. Lastly, the team will present the Buhawi to the Philippine Coast Guard for possible adoption. The team is proposing to fund the pilot commercial model of Buhawi, integrating all improvements and modification for other platforms. and presenting the team behind the success of Project Buhawi. Thank you very much.